ka nang mag-intay ng external force para ikaw ay ma-inspire? Bakit hindi mo subukan step by step just to see if working from home is for you? And kung kagaya kayo ni Vanny na nalilito kung magsisimula na ba kayo as e-commerce virtual assistant kagad or kung itry nyo muna maging Amazon, I highly recommend you go the Amazon route. Let me tell you why. Ang daming platforms na ginagamit ng mga e-commerce businesses. And so, kung magfo-focus ka sa Amazon, you'd be able to check if this is really something na para sa'yo. Is this an environment na magta-thrive ka? And kung na-check mo at yes, feel mo na para siya sa'yo, then saka ka mag-explore ng ibang platforms na pag-aaralan mo. If you guys are interested, we actually have a class this coming weekend for Amazon Virtual Assistants. 999 pesos lang siya. And oops, let me make sure I mention. Sisimula siya sa basics of freelancing. May module tayo, so hindi kayo papasok ng walang idea about freelancing. Pagkatapos makaka-attend kayo ng live session. Kasi live session, 2 days yon, 8 till 12 noon, Saturday and Sunday. Pagkatapos meron kayong 2 weeks na internship. Now, yung gagawin nyo sa internship, gagamitin nyo na rin siya sa pag-apply. Because we've partnered with VA agencies kung saan pwede namin kayong i-refer. Hindi namin pinapangako ang client. However, pinapangako namin na bago kayo lumabas ng training, ready na kayo because apart from that, may application book tayo. So, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply. At pagkatapos, may one-on-one pa kayo with me bago kayo ma-certify ng Vloggy Mary Group. So, if you are interested to join, tala kayo dito sa profile ko. I-click itong link sa bio ko. At pagkatapos, it will pop up there. Kunin nyo na lang yung GigHub. Bubuksan niya yung GigHub. Sa GigHub, na dito na lahat ng kailangan nyo para makapag-start kayo na mag-work from home. Whether free or paid pa yan. But under Life Mentorship, 999 Amazon with internship. Guys, maagap nagko-close itong class na to. Inuulit ko ngayong weekend na to. So, wag ka nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-enroll ka na. We'll see you at the classroom. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!